welcome. I am playing FIFA 14 with my brother. I will do him so hard. He's going to get done over, literally. I was supposed to do it with my friend Josh, but we're doing that another day now. But yeah, Josh is doing it another day. Okay, I've lost. I can't get the ball already. Yes, already. Harry. Go. Go.
So bad.
Oh, hell no.
Oh! No, no, no.
Oh, sorry, you should have got that.
Yes. It's all of the area. Back off, Harry. Don't mess with your bro. Don't mess with me. Do not mess with your bro. Get off the ball. Get off the ball. Yes. Oh, my goal is too hench. Oh! Oh!
Come on, run, let's get back.
Oh no!
Where's that going to? Oh my god, just stands there, look at it. Oh, Harry, you got done over by me again. Ah. Don't mess with the players, alright? Oh.
No! God! No! God! Please, no! 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 No!
Oh, Harry, no!
No! Back off it now. Back off that ball. Told you. Told you it's my ball.
Giggity giggity.
It's my
Giggity
ball.
goo.
It's my ball. Okay, you're asking for it now. You're asking for this. Come here! My Inyong! My guy's called Inyong. What the fuck? People.
Hear me?
Harry.
Yes?
You're getting done over.
Oh,
See, you wouldn't have got that anyway because, oh my god. Yes, look, my guy goes through the wall. Like a boss. Passes back. He shoots. Oh! Oh! What the fuck? It's sweaty.
come to us.
I'm running for the ball, trying to get it in. What the fuck? Here he goes. Here he goes. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's
No! God!
You're very smart.
No! God! Please,
oh my
no!
God, fam.
No!
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 Let's go. Let's do this, team. Yes. Ah. Get the hang of FIFA, Aaron.
Don't shoot that. Don't shoot!
Fuck you, asshole.
Don't shoot!
No.
Oh!
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe because we've got so much more FIFA coming. Peace!